Once again, I welcome to my channel RM Classroom. So yesterday I have uploaded the question related to the geotechnical engineering, and the question was: following data are given for two soil samples X and Y. For the sample X, the void ratio of the sample X is unity, and the total volume of the sample X is 1 cubic meter. Similarly, for the sample Y, the void ratio of the sample is 2, and the total volume is same as the sample X, that is 1 meter cube. The two samples are now mixed and compacted in a mold to a volume of 1 meter cube. So which one of the following is the correct value of porosity for the compacted soil? And your options are 83%, 74%, 60% and 17%. So when we mix the two soil samples X and Y, and and it will be formed as a compacted soil. So one thing that is the key for this question, that the volume of solid will always constant. Means we can say that the volume of solid for the mixed soil is exactly equal to the volume of solid for the sample X and volume of solid for the sample Y. So here the key for this question: volume of solid will not change even after mixing. So we can write, let Vs be the volume of solid for the mixing or compacted soil, that is equal to the volume of solid X plus volume of solid Y. And we can write volume of solid can be, so we also know that void ratio that is equal to volume of void by volume of solid, or we can write 1 plus E is equal to 1 plus volume of void by volume of solid. So we can write volume of solid plus volume of void, volume of solid plus volume of void divided by volume of solid. So we can write 1 plus E, and volume of void plus volume of solid, that is total volume divided by volume of solid. So here we can write volume of solid is equal to V by 1 plus E. So if I put the value of volume of solid, that is V by 1 plus E, so we can write total volume divided by 1 plus E for the mixing soil, that is equal to V by 1 plus E for soil sample X plus V by 1 plus E for the soil sample Y. And the total volume after mixing the soil sample X and Y, it is coming 1 meter cube. So we can write 1 by 1 plus E mixing, that is equal to sample X, the volume is 1 meter cube divided by 1 plus void ratio is unity. So it is 1 plus, for sample Y the total volume is same, that is 1 meter cube divided by 1 plus void ratio is 2. So we can write 1 by 1 plus E mixing or compacted soil, that is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So 1 by 1 plus E mixing can be written as LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So it will be 3 plus 2 5. So 5 by 6. So we can write 1 plus E mixing, that is equal to 6 by 5. So 6 by 5, that is equal to 1.2. So E mixing or compacted soil, it is 0.2. The void ratio for the mixing soil or compacted soil, so void ratio of compacted soil, that is 0.2. No. So we have to find the porosity. So we have the relation between the porosity and void ratio. So we have the relation void ratio, that is equal to eta by 1 minus eta, or porosity can also be written in terms of void ratio, that is E by 1 plus E. So the porosity for the compacted soil can be written as E divided by 1 plus E. So it will be 0.2 divided by 1.2, so it will be 1 by 6. And if I write the porosity in percentage, so porosity of the compacted soil, that is equal to 1 by 6 into 100. So it will be 100 divided by 6. So it is coming 16.67%. So approximately it is 17% is the porosity of the mixing soil or compacted soil. So D option is correct. So option D is correct. So my dear student, ये जो कोशिश है कि हाँ हर दिन एक क्वेश्चन हमें सॉल्व करना है, अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर प्रिपरेशन, जो आपकी प्रिपरेशन का जो स्ट्रैटेजी है उसके अलावा जो है वो एक क्वेश्चन रैंडमली किसी भी सब्जेक्ट से आपको दिया जाता है, जो कि मेरे चैनल पे अपलोड किया जाता है और उसका सॉल्यूशन भी उसके कल होके इसको अपलोड किया जाता है. सो मेरी एक सिंसियर रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप जब ये क्वेश्चन अपलोड किया जाए तो उसके बाद आप अटेम्प्ट करें और फौरन उसको फिर वोट भी करें, और ताकि ये पता चले कि हाँ कितने लोगों ने ये ट्राई कर रहे हैं एटलीस्ट इस क्वेश्चन के लिए, और उसके बाद सॉल्यूशन से आप क्वेश्चन मैच कर लो. अगर कोई कंसेप्ट है तो कंसेप्ट को भी, उस क्वेश्चन से रिलेटेड जो कंसेप्ट है उसको भी बता दिया जाता है, तो उसको आप फौरन आप नोट्स में ऐड कर ले. अगर वो ऑलरेडी आपके नोट्स में एडेड है देन इट इज ओके. अगर कोई फॉर्मूला है जो आपने मिस कर दिया है और इस क्वेश्चन में वो फॉर्मूला यूज हुआ है तो उसे भी आप नोट कर लो, और फिर आप कमेंट सेक्शन में ये भी बताओ कि ये कैसा अप्रोच है जो मैं डेली एक क्वेश्चन अपलोड करता हूँ, वो आपको कैसा लगा है. तो कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं. अगर आपने चैनल को नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया है तो प्लीज इसे सब्सक्राइब भी कर लें. थैंक यू.